Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training. You can contact us through the number that is mentioned on the channel, and also in this video on this video you'll be able to see the WhatsApp number where you can contact us for training. So we are looking into real exam questions. So the one that we are going to cover now is the Fieldsgate Street to Goodsway. So let's look into this. So we've got out this green point moving towards the red point like always. So you can see we need to take some route that will take us towards the top side. So that's how you plan things, right? So let's zoom in. So we could click on that, come down here, and then from here we can go up. So the arrow shows that it's a one way anyway, so we'll carry on going up from here. So keep going up. And carry on going straight, and then from here we'll turn left and stay on this for now, and then from here we will come down, and then we'll again go back up here and carry on going straight from here. There are just quite a few one-ways that you need to be careful about. That's the main thing in this route. So you keep going this way, and then from here we can go here, and then from here we can turn towards the left side. Now let's zoom out a bit. Let's just to see. Yeah, so that's fine. Zoom in, and then you just go straight from here. So keep going straight here, straight here. And now we are approaching where we've got quite a few arrows, so we can see we can't go straight, so we need to come down here, and then we can go up, back up here, and then we just kind of go straight from here, straight, go this way, and then you carry on going straight here, straight here, and then this arrow we can come down here. And then if you see these arrows, we can't go this way, right? So we need to come down here, and then we can go this way, right? Again, we have another arrow here that shows it's a one way, so we can only go towards upside where the arrow is directing towards. So from here, come down here, and then you just go up from here. And we can see our point there as well, so just follow this road and you go straight here and turn towards this point. So just the main thing here is that there are quite a few arrows that you need to be aware of, and just plan it accordingly, because seen this question many times in the exam as well, so it's just a bit confusing where you've got these arrows, so you just need to be careful about those. Otherwise it is quite simple and a direct route. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.